Esta conferencia comenzará a grabarse.
And now, please, Virginia, go ahead.
Okay, thank you very much. I'm Virginia Lopez from Brainstorm Multimedia. I belong to Production and Services Department, and I'm going to introduce you in the Neuron demo. I'm going to explain a little bit what is the Neuron system in Brainstorm, okay? Neuron is a MOS-compatible template-based system that integrates graphics creation and management into most common environments such as newsroom, continuity, and traffic workflows. Neuron is fully scalable and can be tailored to match any client's requirements or budget. So we are about to see a Neuron demonstration in an iNews environment, and we will follow the workflow that described in this diagram. The first step is here in the graphics department. The designers are going to create all the templates using Ashton 3D, plus industry standard tools like Photoshop, After Effects, 3D Max, or many others. And then we are going to import that templates into our server. Okay, this is our server.
Okay.
Sorry.
Okay.
In this server, we install a different application. So I'm going to show you what is that. What is this application? I'm going to open and I'm going to explain you one by one. The first one is the Neuron Monitor. It's only to check the status for the rest of the applications. Okay? This is only for check status. Look at that. The manage is enabled and the status is running. This is only for to check.
Sorry. Yes. Virginia, let me translate. Okay?
Yes, sorry, Peter. Sorry.
Okay. 他刚刚的意思是说Virginia, please can close those windows. Let me see the diagram.
The diagram, no?
Okay, great. Thanks. 他刚刚的意思就是说，他的这一个流程图呢，它有几个比较重要的部分，有两个呢，团队是我们比较显而易见，就是我们是记者的一个叫做文字的一个创造端，它可能有很多讯息从这边带回来。那另外一个就是它的一个叫做设计团队，它设计这些模板。然后利用 Morse Gateway 去沟通所有的事情，包含它要有一个叫做讯号播出的 player， 所以呢，它可以看到接收到所有 Morse Gateway 得到的讯息之后，由它的一个不管是 on air 的 SDI out 啊，或者是带 key 的 field 的 output 直接派送出去到副控端。那另外一端呢，就是我们去控制这些template list 的一个 rundown， 还有一个主要的一个controller 的 player 的 on demand， 也就是说它的操作人员就是针对这一个环节在操作而已，所以它最主要的环节是这样。那另外一个就是 automation 的一个system， 那 automation 的 system 它可能就是利用这些的一个环节把它整个都串起来。那这边的跟主要是这边跟这边的 Morse Gateway 去做沟通，当然包含 iNews。所以呢，他刚刚等一下会看到他很多 iNews 的一个界面。那其实呢，今天的 demo 也就是在很多 VM 的架构下去把它所有的环节把它串起来。那主要今天就是让大家了解它的流程是怎么样。Okay, Virginia, you can continue. Thanks.
Okay, thank you, Peter. I'm sorry, I'm going to speak less, and so you can translate much better. Sorry.
Yeah.
Okay, I'm going to continue. I'm going to explain now the different applications that we have in our server. The first one is the monitor. It's only to check the status. The second one is Neuron Gateway. From here, we are going to manage the communication between applications. Okay, this is like to open and close the ports. Okay.
OK， 那现在wait a moment， 现在你看到的界面就是它在它的 neuron 里面的 controller 跟 gateway 的一个叫做监控状态，所以它在这个地方，它的监看的机制可以看到，所以呢，它在这个 Snap 的工作站里面也可以看到。OK， we can continue.
Okay, sorry, I cannot hear very well. So I'm going to continue. Sorry, Peter. The next one.
Okay.
The next one is a Neuron Manager. The Neuron Manager is for to manage the number of the license. You can see here number of clients is for number of the journalists. In this case, I have 5. And the next one is number of control license is for the controller. In this case, I have 2. This is a floating license. Okay, Peter, floating license.
Okay. So 这个地方的 license 的一个查看呢，回到刚刚我们的这个流程图里面，我们可以看到控制端license会有几个，那基本上5个在这边看到，也就是说这个数量是可以被克制的，就是说你的 client 端需要几个，控制端需要几个，然后再把它做一些排列组合。OK。
Okay, and the last one, that mini application that we have in the server is the Neuron Snap server. From here, we are going to process the snaps. What does mean? Imagine you have a different render per snap. You can see here the unit. In this case, only I have just one machine, okay? But I'm going to show you with Aston. This is the Aston. Sorry, I'm going to remove. Okay, this is the Aston. In this case, when you buy an Aston Snap render, you have 2 instances. The first one and the second one. And this is the meaning that you can see unit 1 for Snap and Movie. This is my unit 1. And here you can see unit 2 for snaps. This is my unit 2. And the IP is the same because in this demo, only I have just one laptop, okay? This is the meaning.
Okay, let me translate. 它这个意思就是，我们在极简的一个环境里面呢，我们在一个news 的 control 里面，我们可以看到，刚刚我们看到 license 嘛，接着我们就往下看，就是我们可以看到 player 哦，那 player 里面它这边定义的是2个路由。那这个2个路由，它正好用的一个是 preview 跟一个 program 来做叫做配置。那方便是说，我们等一下如果它在它的 rundown list 里面已经有的东西，我们会直接派送到 player。那 player 的意思就是说，直接连接，就像我们刚刚流程图，直接连接 play out 到副控端的一个讯号，这边就可以完全来看到。那这边都还没有讲到 designer 可能到最后。哦。
Okay. This is the last one mini application that we have in the server. And now we are going to the journalist area. So I'm going to show you, we are going to use the iNews. So this is the iNews interface. I suppose that you are very familiar, suppose better than me, okay, with the iNews application. So here we have, well, this is the rundowns. Per rundowns, I have a different news, okay? And per news, I create different template, different objects. So I'm going to show you how you can work or how it works. The first thing, this is our plugin. This is Neuron client and ActiveX plugin common in all the news system we are integrated with. So I'm going to show you how it works. For example, I'm going to select a lower third, double click. This is, sorry. we can see all the editable fields created by the designers, okay? That form is created in the designer area. So you can change the information. For example, I'm going to write my name, Virginia Lopez, for example. I'm in Madrid, okay, and today, the year, for example. So this is the fields that I can modify because in the Aston Designer is created this. And now, yes, you can translate. Yes, sure.
Okay. Let me translate.
Yes.
它刚刚的界面呢，其实 iNews 可能大家都是专家，所以那个界面基本上好几年都没有什么改变。那它的特色就是说，在它的一个 plugin 里面，因为 iNews 就是要配合大家的叫 CG 嘛，所以它的 plugin 里面呢，它部分它直接装在 iNews 这个这个，当然它连接的。它使用掉它的形状，就是说，如果在我把它放这里，看到这些形状应该，它的简单的。
Character font size.
Hello, Virginia.
Hello. Yes.
Yeah.
Continue.
Okay.
Sorry, Peter, I cannot hear you very well.
Do you hear me? No,
Yes,
right now?
Yes.
Okay. They asked me the UI, the text size can more big or not.
Yes, it's possible, but from the graphic designer, you have to create this editor here in the form, but it's possible to modify the size of the text. Remember, Peter, you can modify everything. Colors, if you want, colors, size of the text. Probably you can select the font. Imagine in just one show, you can use one font, and for the evening or night show, you can use another font. So it's possible to change the font too. Or if you want to apply a shadow border, this kind of things, it's possible to do that in our form. So you have to create it in Aston Designer before, okay?
Okay, let me translate. 他的意思说，这个的界面完全是设计师自己去定制，你要大一点、小一点，由他来决定。这样。
刚刚讲有个大手在那个上面。
对。
设计样板上面。
Hello, do you hear me?
Yes.
Okay, we can continue. Thanks.
Okay, welcome. Okay, I'm going to explain you what that means, what different button that means. The first one, detach, is if you want to
Virginia, we cannot hear you. We lost your voice. We can see your screen, but we cannot hear you. Virginia, am I the only one who cannot hear her?
I'm sorry, because I have problems with my headphones. So you can.
Yes, now we can hear you again.
Okay, perfect. Thank you, Eric. So, sorry.
Yeah, go ahead.
Oh, okay, thank you. Sorry, my headphones. Okay. Attach and detach is if you want to pop up this folder. Okay. Close if you want to close this object, this template. And now, remember, I modify the fields, no? I'm going to write, for example, only my name and surname, and I'm going to take a preview. You can see this is my name, and this is the render that apply this snap. Remember, here in the snap server, I'm going to press again, preview, and you can see here how it the snaps queue appear. Look at that. Preview, okay? Can you see here?
Yeah.
And now I'm going to press, and now I'm going to press movie, and you can see the render here below. Look at that. Movie. So let me explain you the resolution. Normally the journalist people, they have a 3D powerful machines, no, a very high performance. So this is the reason that our movies is in low resolution. Okay. Later, when you press movie, you can see here the animation. If you want translate, Peter, or I can continue.
他的意思是说呢，他在做任何一个新增的时候呢，你可以直接送到 Preview 去看。那另外一个功能，它也可以自己直接设定你的叫做侧录解析度，它可以录一个小段的 Preview， 所以它可以被侧录下来，然后再继续回放。所以它可以对当下你输入的进去的一个文字呢，它有很好的一个，不管是监看或者是记录的一个方案。Okay, Virginia, you can continue.
Okay, perfect. So imagine you are happy with your template. Save. It's stored here. Look at that. Is the lower third, and the first value that I write is Virginia Lopez. I'm going to show you more interesting thing about that. For example, I'm going to open another template, and I'm going to show you a different plugins that we have inside the Neuron client. Look at that. Right click. I'm going to write before, for example, I'm going to write wrong. Hello. No, it's wrong. Right click, spell checker. It's possible to install a dictionary regarding your language. For example, hello. Okay, and automatically correct the spell. This is one example. Another one, we have select from database. What that means? In Brainstorm in general, with Aston and with Neuron, it's possible to connect or to fit the templates with external data source. In this case, this is a ODBC example, SQL. This is a SQL table. So we have connect with ODBC, RSS, XML, CSV, XLS, whatever, okay? It's possible to connect with external data source. So I'm going to show you this example. I'm going to select a table that we created in our SQL application, select column, for example, name. And now I'm going to select, for example, Dave Wilson. I'm going to select this result and okay, and automatically appear here, and it's not necessary to write manually every day the same names. For example, you can create your own table, and now with the select from database, you can select it faster. This is one example. Okay, so it works. Look at that. Here is Dave Wilson. So
Okay, let me translate. Okay.
Yes.
他的意思，刚刚他做了两件事情，就是第一个是他在填入文字的时候，第一个功能，他在他的 plugin 里面就可以利用用语的差异去辨别你的语系是什么。那第二个功能就是他直接在这些模板里面就可以选择我要连接哪一个 ODBC 的资料库。当然，这个 ODBC 我们必须要在事前就先连接好。看你是来源是什么，那这个模板当然我们 模板也要设计，就是说我在连接 ODBC 的栏位是什么，当然这个必须要先做好，但是在这个 plugin 里面就可以直接做到这2件事。OK，Virginia， OK。
Okay, and the last one, we have another plugin is select a date. It's really easy. Only you can see a calendar and you can select the date. Okay, I'm going to press preview again and look at that. Here the date, sorry, and here the name that I selected in plugin with the plugin. So if you want to create plugin for our client components, it's very easy because we don't use SDKs or AVIDs or anything like that, okay? Our plugins are just external application that we call. Even, for example, even the Windows calculator can be a plugin that we can call as a plugin if you want. So it's really easy if you want to create your own plugins, okay?
Okay.
I'm going to save it, okay? And if you want to translate it, this.
Okay, let me translate.
刚
刚的部分就是他提到应该是时间码的定义嘛，所以呢，他在那个时间，因为他的这个跟我们以前旧的版本已经新增很多功能了，以前是要在设计端就要先定义好，那现在他在 plugin 在 iNews 这一端就可以有很多选项，直接把它选进去，然后加到你的 list 里面。这是今年最新的一个版本。
Okay. I'm going to continue.
Wait a moment.
Yes, sure.
这样不用自己人的，对。OK， 那我们再 OK Virginia OK。
Okay, so here you can see the different object that I save it, no? I save it with the date, I save it with my name. So now the only thing I have to link this object into my news. In this example, I have a lower third, a full form, and demo, no? I'm going to link or I'm going to trigger this object with just drag and drop. Look at that. Here, this is iNews application. You can write here whatever you want. Okay, this is the same. The only thing we are going to insert an object. That's all. Okay, so imagine you want to modify something, no, because the spelling is wrong, or in this case, it's not Monday, it's Sunday, or something like that. Double click, Monday. Okay, I'm going to rename it Sunday and save. Okay, sorry. Okay. What? I'm going to close here. Okay, well, it's into the other side. I don't know what's happened right now. It's Invert, but so you can see here the template, or I'm going to, okay, it's put it here. I'm going to remove. If you want to remove it, just delete it. And look at that, okay?
Okay.
Okay, so it's really easy. Select the, I'm going to delete again and I'm going to repeat it. Select the object that you have here and drag and drop. That's all. Okay, if you want to translate it.
Let me translate. 它这个动作呢，其实就是它如果你在用设计有每一个时段应该有project， 所以呢，它就可以直接把你已经定义好的已经加注新的资料的文字序列拖移到你想要的时段去。我可能前一天先做好很多时段了，晚间的、午间都先做好，可是呢，我要定义套哪一个时段去，我可以自己去拖拉，我可能做很多个这些的流程大概是这样，所以它的 plugin 对它的自愿度其实蛮高的，所以它很多动作都会回归到拖拉这个动作。对对。OK。
Okay, so okay, so regarding the plugin, the RCG browser is this. Only I would like to show you how you can apply pictures or movies. For example, with this template, I can show you how you can do that. Well, this template, this is in the background you have a movie, and then this is a logo. So I'm going to, well, here you can change the information, Saturday, Champions League, I don't know, sorry. For example, logo. You can click here and automatically you can, well, the neuron opens the resources folder and I'm going to search the logo. For example, this one. Okay, and now in the second one, video promo. I'm going to link, I'm going to apply a movie, RSC, sorry, movies, for example, Brainstorm. Okay, and now save it. And it's this one. Okay.
Okay.
If you want to translate, or I can continue.
Okay, let me translate.
Okay.
他刚的那个动作呢，通常来讲啊，因为我之前也看过很多的叫做 iNews 的 user， 他可能不会在这一段去拉影片，但是他这个 plugin 已经做进去了，所以这个可以去做讨论说，他要在这一端直接把所有东西都定义好，直接放入还是怎么样，这个可以讨论，但是它功能已经做完，所以这个部分大概是。会，他等下先拉完，最后就直接会看到回应。Okay, we can continue.
Okay, so now we are going to go to the last department, to the last area in the demo, is the gallery room. We are going to trigger these templates. We are going to use our controller. So this is the Aston. Okay, in this case, this is my preview. Okay, this is my preview viewport, and this is my program viewport. And now this application is our neuron controller. And I'm going to show you how you can operate, how you can trigger the templates. The first thing is regarding arrows. If you move up and down, you can move between items. Can you see the blue bar? The blue bar is only for selection. If you want to see this object, this one, okay, today object, into the preview monitor, you have to click or you have to press left arrow. And you can see here a yellow color, the yellow bar. I'm going to repeat, I'm going to select the first one, general election, left arrow, left key, and you can see the template change. If you want to trigger to the program, you have to press a spacebar, and the color is red. So we have three colors. Red colors is for on-air template. Yellow color is for the preview templates. And blue one is only for selection. Okay? If you want to translate this.
Okay, let me translate.
Okay.
他刚刚的那个部分，这个 project 里面，它最后新增在最下面，所以它至少已经做好了这一个news 的一个叫做 list 时段，应该可以这样分。那这个应该是这样，应该可以这样。在 iNews 当然可以在那就是看你在因为这是那个文字的一个发送服务，它也可以一种网址里面有新发的文件，我就把它。那这个的部分就是已经做到这个字面的话就可以。甚至都可以，所以你在点，然后快速的播出。刚刚今天只是。Virginia, can continue.
Okay, so now I'm going to trigger the templates again. Spacebar. Okay, remove that template and I'm going to trigger with the spacebar again. So this kind of animation is a little bit slow and we would like to see more dynamic animation. So we are going to replace the templates. What that means? We are going to add more templates because in this case, the live template is possible to coexist with this lower third. And I'm going to press Control. With the Control, you can add more templates. Look at that. So this kind of behavior between composition is our storm logic. So what that means? Storm logic is the application, is the functionality that we have in Storm, and with that, it's possible to combine different templates. For example, this lower third is possible to coexist in the same time because the space is different. But regarding the full form, it's not possible. Or, for example, look at that. In the preview monitor, I have another ticker. What's happened if triggered at the same time with this one? The store logic says, okay, it's not possible to combine both of them at the same time. Look at that. I'm going to replace, okay, with the Control key. The previous ticker disappear and appear the next one, okay? This behavior, this functionality is thanks to store logic. So if you want to translate the store logic.
Let me translate, let me translate.
Yeah.
遮蔽，所以它的 logic 的意思就是它智慧模板，而且是相互关系会被。那它当有这个新的特殊事件下面就自动让位，那这个不用额外的，它下掉 A 来放 动的让哦，这是可以。那另外呢，就是说你可以设计说有很多条的做入去，它这边对这个在台湾BBC 这个卖。对，是，对，这个基本上。基本上就是限制在 license。Okay, Virginia, we can continue.
Okay, so now in my preview monitor I have a full form template, but in my program I have a different lower third, so it's not possible to put both situations, not both graphics at the same time. So what's happened if select or press Control key? The store logic again. The store logic remove all lower thirds and appear the full form. So now we are going to see another kind of animation. I'm going to replace both bars. It's the same template, but the information is different. Imagine I'm going to select the yellow in the preview because this information is wrong. No, I'm going to press intro and I'm going to edit. I'm going to change the first value, 25. I'm going to change 50, for example, and I'm going to save it. I have to refresh here and look at that. So now you can modify the information. I'm going to change, for example, the name. Probably it's much easy to see. I'm going to change and I'm going to write Brainstorm. No, I'm going to save it and automatically look at that. Okay, so now I'm going to press Control and I'm going to replace this information. I'm going to repeat again. Remember, with the left key, I can modify my preview. And now I'm going to press Control and I'm going to replace the information. This animation is replace. And now I have two full forms, a pie, a bars. I'm going to replace between them. That animation is a brother, is different, okay? We have three kinds of animation regarding the store logic. In and out is a standard animation, template in and template out. Replace, with the same templates, we can replace the information. For example, the pie, look at that. Okay, this is the replace. And with a brother, with another kind of graphic, is similar, the same family, but it's not the same information. I'm going to press always the same key, Control. That animation is brother, okay? It's brother in and brother out. So this kind of animation is thanks to Storm logic, okay? It's another features that we have in the store logic functionality. If you want to translate. Hello?
Virginia, let me translate, okay?
Oh, yes, okay, thank you.
这是其中一个原因，另外一个就是说，它可以选择 preview 不要输出，让我直接做监看，也可以的，对对对。Hi Virginia, we need a meeting a moment. Just wait for me 5 minutes.
Okay.
是看到的，是，我懂，哦，当然，对，它其实很简单，因为我之前操作他们，你要的群组你就是全部全选，然后一次 play 就全部播出了，那只是快键的一个定义。对，它只是它的分类要 follow 你们的分类啦。对，那就看设，因为它现在模板不会，如果大家一起播的话就不叠在一起，它没有设，它如果像边边角角的可以一起出来，它就会把它设计成一个 group。对。Okay, Virginia, we can continue.
Okay,
Hello.
perfect.
Yeah.
With the spacebar, remember, take out, take in. And now I'm going to show you. Okay. I'm going to trigger this template. Remember, it's a movie. I don't know if you can see the audio.
Yeah, we can see.
Okay. The problem right now is I'm sharing the screen, so I have a lot of things. Okay. But this is only to check that the graphic works. So, last thing that I would like to explain you regarding the controller. It's possible to add templates in the last minute, like breaking news. How we can do that? If you press plus key, sorry, I have selected plus key.
Yeah.
Look at that. It's the same folder that we have in the iNews. Blue line is the template that we selected, and I'm going to breaking news, no? So select the templates. In this case, I'm going to write breaking news in Madrid. It's a crazy situation, no? Situation, for example, save it. Okay, close. And this template is ready, breaking news, sorry, breaking news. This template is ready to go on air. So it's possible to create templates in the last minute from the controller. Okay. But if you want, well, if you want to translate this.
Okay, let me translate.
Okay.
它这个做法就有别我们刚刚说的东西物件都在 iNews 设计完就丢过来。可是万一有一个状况，我就是不要从 iNews 丢过来，我要突然接触到一个资讯，我要加一个，那这边一样可以做。也就是说，我不用再透过 iNews 经过一长串的流程拖拉等才进到这边，不用。Okay, continue.
Okay. So you tell me. Okay, I would like to from the iNews. So I have in my demo news, okay, and I'm going to create another template. For example, I'm going to create this one, a cat, save. Is here, drag and drop. You have to save the new, okay. This is the cat, okay. The last one, I'm going to my demo, and it's automatically. Look at that, it's here.
Yeah.
Okay, it's really faster to create last templates in the last minute, no? So, well, this is another example. So only I would like to clarify one thing, okay, Peter? If you create the templates from the controller, you cannot see this news, this object. You cannot see this object in the iNews. Okay, look at that. It's not. Okay. Only I would like to clarify that. Okay.
Oh, okay. Yeah. So so you this list is created from iNews or from Neuron controller. This one list.
Sorry.
Hello?
Yes.
I mean this one so you can see the blue list. The blue list is create from iNews or create from Neuron controller. Blue list.
Yeah. Okay. From the iNews, you can create a template and automatically appears in the controller. Okay, it's automatically this.
Okay. So you mean we can create any list from iNews and Neuron controller. In
the Neuron controller, it's not possible to save into the iNews. Okay, it's not. This connection is not compatible. Okay, the only if you want to both application have the same rundown list, you have to create the templates from the iNews. But if you create the templates in the controller, you cannot see this template in the iNews. Okay. This communication doesn't exist.
Okay.
Okay, but it's normal. The developers tell. Okay, if you want to translate it, for
okay.
Peter, just one thing. Regarding Neuron demo, I'm finished. This is the last thing that I have to explain. regarding the neuron demo. I'm finished.
Okay. Just one question. If you use neuron controller, do we more need on demand?
Need more?
But I mean, do we need, if we use neuron controller, we on demand is necessary, need or don't need on demand?
On demand is just in case. We would like to, in the budget, in the quotation, we would like to add on demand, because on demand is a really good backup system. Imagine your MOS system down. You have the same templates in the on demand, and you can trigger, you can follow the show with the on demand. The controller is, look at that, the controller is compatible with the MOS rundown. Okay, this is the rundown that I created in iNews. Okay. But imagine the iNews is down, the MOS system is down. You can trigger the same templates without MOS with on demand. This is the reason that we would like to add in the quotation on demand, because it's not really expensive application. It's not really expensive, but it's really powerful, and you can install in the same machine that you have in the controller. In the controller machine, you can install on demand and the neuron controller. And just in case you have an on demand like a backup. Is my advice. Eric knows always I would like to recommend on demand backups in the neuron system.
Okay, understand. Okay, let me translate.
Yes, sure.
他讲的，我刚问他的 on demand 的，它其实是一个单独独立的控制机制，就是你们现在在用的，就是只有 player 加 on demand， 他们就可以 run 一个节目。对，所以呢，他刚提到就是说如果真的是一个保全机制的话 ，on demand 就是一个最后的控制备援机制，就是其他都断线了，完全连不到了，我还有 on demand 可以排 round down， 也可以拉 list， 拉模板直接 play out， 它可以这样子。对，就丢不回去，对，还是可以的。Hi Virginia, do you have any more need to show us any demo?
Okay.
We can continue. Yeah.
Well, regarding neuron demo, I'm finished.
Okay,
so
understand.
My idea, if you want, Peter, is regarding Aston Designer, and I'm going to explain how you can create the tickers, text, fonts.
Great.
Okay.
You can show us.
Okay, so I'm going to the edit mode. Okay.
他现在就是说回到那个设计界面，让大家了解一下它的一个做法。其实它的 license 的其实不复杂，它的 license 的选项很少，它没有像其他的品牌要区隔很多功能，分很多。它一个给你的话，几乎所有功能 playout 跟设计全部给你。对，除非你要分开啦，所以
I'm going to open again.
它的 license 是摆 license， 英文会比较复杂。
I'm going to open Aston again, okay, Peter?
Okay, go ahead.
Because I have to open in the designer mode. I have in the playout, and now I have to the designers.
Okay, that's okay.
Well, I'm going to open the same project, okay? Just in case you have any question regarding that template, okay?
Okay. 他的意思就是他刚刚那个界面，因为他是在开嘛，所以他的界面呢 ，license 的算法，它其实也不跟随那个 CPU 什么，它不会这样做。就是说，我们就算一个安全的数量，你要备援或者是 preview 这个加总算起来是什么？ 对，它只是 Neuron 的 iNews 它可爱端5个跟控制端2个，它是基本配置。那你要再增加，那我们就跟它就一个配置。
Okay.
Okay.
This is an Aston designer, so well, this is a different template that we have in the in the project, and I'm going to create a new one because we are going to see. Well, I'm going to show you the safety frames, okay, and I'm going to create a ticker. I'm going to start with a ticker. It's very easy. I'm going to select the ticker and I'm going to define my box. Okay, at the moment, you cannot see anything. Don't worry. I'm going to link this ticker in an external data source like RSS, for example. This is RSS. By default in Aston, we connect with BBC. Let me check because I'm going to hold a second because we are going to check this information is correct.
是连接 RSS 就直接进来当它的跑马，就那则新闻。当然，我们台湾比较少这样子直接连接这样。如果他写的不是我们要嘛，难弄。但在国外基本上不会，就是所有责任由电视台发送端去处理这样。那其实他刚刚的这些模板哦，他刚刚我们在那边看到就是已经被群体化了。然后他跟他能单独出来跟另外一个。它大部分是拍摄，对。Hi Virginia.
Yes.
Yeah.
Tell me.
Just our friend asked me what moment need to use Python.
Python, when? Depends on the templates. For example, in that templates, in these bars, we have used a Python code because we have to normalize the bars. Oops, sorry. Here in the data, you can see here a lot of Python. Look at that. This is a Python code.
We see.
You can see. Okay, this is, for example, for evaluate the snap. This is the reset templates. For example, we have a lot of time that I create these templates and I don't remember. The evaluation, I think, is animation. Look at that. And it's creating in Python, everything. Look at that. So depends on the templates. Normally, Python, bars, py, this kind of animation is creating with Python, with the scripting.
Okay.
Yes. Okay. But in the ticker, well, in the ticker, for example, I think it's not really necessary. In this case, if you create the external data source, like in this example, RSS or from CSV, XML, is easier. It's really easier. It's just to link. In this case, it's just to link this column, no? Because this column is the news. COVID antibodies, COVID more than tal. So you can, I'm going to link, okay? I'm going to link this column into the content of my ticker. And now I'm going to play ticker. and you can see the information. This is the duration. I can increase the speed, so my ticker is faster, for example. You can to create like a fade, much bigger, look at that. For example, well, we have this kind of things regarding the ticker. So regarding Python, depends on the necessities of your templates.
Okay, great.
Yeah, it's for scripting. Is if you want to configure your templates, imagine you have the same template in different position. You can create this animation in Python, no?
Okay.
你有什么就可以直接。
Wait a moment.
Okay.
Python 范例比较多，虽然我不是 coding 人员，但是 Python 有几个简单的也是抠贴进去的，比如说对，也是工具，对，这种的，对，就是均化，
对，那这个东西懂吗？
真是，对，
才用到，那我可以。拉完之后，它弄完它就我是觉得
哦，超久。
那有关于在那个那可以列相关的法律相关的东西。那这边
它的这个软体概念，唯一有一个跟其他不一样，是它的拖译的功能占绝大多数。比如说，我有5个值，最终运算变成最结果的话，它就是用拖译，一个 follow 一个跟着一个。Hi Virginia, we just talk about the VSRT with Brainstorm. What different? So yeah. I think the demo is almost finished. I think.
Okay.
I think.
Oh, okay. Well, if you want, the only thing if you want to know is we have a library, okay, regarding styles. Okay. You can trigger these styles, and later you can modify the font. You can modify. Because this style is creating in Aston, do you know? Okay, you know, Peter, this kind of thing. So, if you haven't any question, for me, it's finished. Only,
Okay,
I don't know if
okay,
you
let
can
me
show.
ask the people have any question. Let me ask.
Okay.
你们有任何问题想要问他，剩下我可以跟你们说明，那我们就可以。Okay, Virginia, about the more Aston detail, I can show them any demo. So Today we very thank you so much. You help us finish this demo. Thank you. Thank you.
Thank you. Thank you for thank you for listening and watching.
Do you see me?
我们只有声音而已啦。
今天thank you.
Thank you. Thank you very much.
Thank you. Bye bye.